Now, next to me is John Davey, and this is his pal Dave Danks. Now, they've been mates for over 10 years. They share a local, the Bickley Arms, and follow the same football team. So when Dave asked for our help in setting John up, how could we refuse? We arranged for John to work for our plumber and remove a few radiators. I mean, simple enough, except we rigged the plumbing.
This is our house with the specially rigged plumbing. And here comes John with our plumber, Malcolm, to start work.
First off, I want this radiator taken off. Quite simple. Those two bolts there, that one and that one, use the Stilsons, and they're anti-clockwise. All right? Yeah. Before I go, come through into the kitchen. The stopcock is off now, right? And it's in there. So if you have any bother at all, that's the stopcock.
What do I do with that then?
Oh, you just turn it to the right. Yeah.
Just went into the right.
That's the one. Yeah.
All right, yeah.
Okay, that's the stopcock. As you said, if you can answer the phone at all. I'm just going around the corner to price another job up. I'll be back in about 10, 15 minutes, all right?
Please.
Yeah, use those Stilsons. Shove it on them.
So the boss nips off, leaving John all alone with our very dodgy water pipes. I think it's time we turn the water on. John's heading for the stopcock, but that only works when we want it to. More water, please.
Oh, look.
This time, we'll flood the kitchen as well. John doesn't quite know what to do. Should he run away or start bailing out the house?
You just ruined our house as well.
He's decided to start bailing out.
That's a good
idea. A tea towel will clean up all this mess. To hide behind a bush until our house owner returns to find him.
Hello.
The whole room's soaking wet.
The whole what?
The whole room's...
What do you mean the whole room's soaking wet?
Well, there's holes all over the place. We didn't think we're there.
You are pulling my leg.
No, honestly, look.
What have you done?
Take the radiator off and put it in the water.
What do you mean, just?
Well, there's holes
There's-
here. There's holes everywhere. There's holes here.
I don't... You see. You can't move.
Let's send the boss back in.
Hey, Rosie, what the hell have you done?
He's-
Hey, I'll tell you what I've done here.
He's turning my living room into a bathroom.
I pulled this off and it went mad. Pull that off. Malcolm!
Right, now get back in here.
Oh, this is driving me crazy.
Kill him. I'm going to kill him.
Yeah, all right, Mrs. Lucy. There's no need to panic. It's a leak and we're used to it, all right?
All I did is
So what did you
here
do?
coming out of here,
Yeah.
over there.
You turned it anti-clockwise, like I said. I mean, you haven't cross-threaded it or anything.
This way, yeah. Then
But you did something to the radiator, didn't you?
I took that off.
And then he turned...
So you'd already got the... There's a back pressure somewhere, that's...
It's got to be.
Yeah.
How's this? Look.
Piece by piece, tell me what you did. I've got to know.
This is an absolute disaster.
Yeah, all right, Mrs. Lewis, we will deal with it. We are professionals. We're both plumbers. We know what we're doing, don't we?
He obviously doesn't know what he's doing.
Don't know what he's doing.
He's a plumber. This came off,
Yeah.
and then just come flying out of here, going mad.
Who's going to pay?
Got the problem. What?
Are you paying for these damages?
I've been in and running out. I've been in it 20 odd times.
Well, he's been working with me for a bit, haven't you?
Yeah.
Been working with me for quite some time. So,
Yes.
I mean, it's not down to the plumber section. It must be a fault in the house.
It never happened to me before.
I mean, this film's got city and bills, isn't it?
Let's blow up the TV.
Oh, God.
Now we really bring the house down with our collapsing ceiling.
I know plasterer will do that for you. Yeah, you got it, mate. You got it.
It is Quentin, the interior decorator.
Can you just show me what you're doing?
With me. What he did.
Oh, you come to decorate the place, have you?
Yeah, well, I was.
We've just come in time, haven't you?
Yes.
Took it off.
Yes.
Okay, go on to do that one.
Yes. Could you just put your finger in there, please? Thank you. Now, tell me, what was the problem?
And that
Yes.
one over there.
That's what you should have done in the first
I'll
place.
get into it. You know, sometimes not to hold up these things. Turn one off and it went mad. But back to the other one. It's got, when it indicates where one of the place.
Take your hand off, let's see.
Ruin my house. I ruined it.
Turn it off, look, it's still going mad.
Yes, it's when you fiddle with the radiator that happens.
What do you think they're going to say at the Bickley?
Oh. I don't believe it.
What?
Oh, do not believe it. You...
Thanks. Oh, there's one up there. I don't believe this. He's put it in the pocket. Where's it going to go?
We must thank Carla Holmes for their help in setting up that film. And to you, Dave, thanks a million, I tell you. You were absolutely right. What a great guy. Ladies and gentlemen, John Davey.